make a decision on what to do with your parallel arms. I'm Ron Jackson. This is my daughter.
Hi, I'm Casey Jackson. We're with Precision Planter Solutions, or PPS.
We're here to tell you what makes PPS the best choice for fixing your parallel arms on your planter.
It doesn't matter if you're wanting to fix your old arms like this one, or buy new arms from us. It starts with our patented bushings.
In the last several years, many farmers have upgraded to hydraulic downforce and high speed on their planters, which requires more down pressure to keep the row units at the intended depth. This has been hard on parallel arms. Many farmers started with fairly tight row units when adding the hydraulic down pressure, only to find the following spring when going over their planters that there was excessive wear on their parallel arms.
It just doesn't make sense to have thousands of dollars worth of precision upgrades on a row unit that moves and shakes in every direction. We needed a system that would take this abuse, give you years of trouble-free service, and be easy to replace when you felt it was needed.
We chose to use a bushing system and offer you the widest hardened bushing available with more surface area to carry the load, which is distributed through the entire bushing contact area.
Our hardened flange bushings have met our long service life goal. They have lasted for years, but at some point they will be worn enough that the inner bushing will need to be replaced.
This is a decision that you can make every year when getting the planter ready for spring. You get to decide when the right time to replace them will be.
We wanted our design to fix every parallel linkage problem with the OEM row units.
It starts with the hardened flange bushings in our parallel arms.
No more wear on your parallel arms, which means you never have to replace them.
Our outside flange bushing gives you 35% more wear area than a bushing that's only a ½ inch wide.
The flange also protects the arm from side forces like you see happened here. This is one reason bearings are not the best choice for your parallel arms.
This just isn't the right application for a small ball bearing that would have 3 less than 1/4 inch balls trying to handle all of this pressure. The limited rotation of parallel arms means those 3 little balls are eventually going to be carrying all that load without any grease. You also just can't check the bearings and make sure they're going to make it through planting season. A bearing will fail and then need to be replaced immediately, most likely at a time you should be planting. Our inner bushings have internal threads that tighten down tight on the bolt so you don't have any of the slop like you have with all the other bushings. The row unit is constantly trying to move this bushing, which eventually leads to bolts that get loose. We eliminate all movement of the bushing on the bolt.
A row unit is also constantly trying to move the bolts and the OEM holes on the front support plate and row unit. These bolt holes are not necessarily worn from wear, but purposely oversized by the manufacturer. This is a new Kinsey support plate, but you will find all other brands have the same problem. A small amount of metal is removed with our short reamer, then our bolts have shoulders sized to fit tight in the bolt holes, stopping all movement.
Customers that do not want to do the extra work to make the bolts fit tight, we have the same bolts available without the shoulders on them that require no reaming. PPS is your only choice that will eliminate all unwanted movement in your row unit. If you're looking for new arms, ours are laser cut, robotically welded, and built right here in Missouri. These arms have our bushings already in them and are ready to bolt on. They are purposely built heavy to withstand high speed and hydraulic down pressure. You no longer have to worry about breaking parallel arms. We build arms for every major brand.
Our arms will be the last you have to buy. We have saved the best reason to buy from PPS for last. Customer support. Our goal is 100% satisfaction with our products and our company. As farmers ourselves, we know what it's like to need help and not be able to reach anyone.
We can be reached 7 days a week, any time of day, to answer questions or help with any issues. You won't find a more dedicated company to help you get the answers you need when you need them. We offer support for all of our customers, as well as our distributors, dealers, and all of their customers.
If you're looking for the best way to fix your planter's parallel arms, give us a call at 660-689-3100 or ask for PPS products at SI Distributing or one of our many dealers in the US and Canada. Thanks for watching.